What's the one thing you're willing to trade for a morning where you wake up feeling refreshed, without any bloating, and ready to take on the day? For many of us, that's a no-brainer. We'd gladly swap our heavy, sluggish mornings for a lighter, more energized start. That's where the gelatin trick comes in, a simple daily ritual that's been a game changer for people looking to shed a few pounds and wake up without the weight of yesterday's food. My friend, who's been using the gelatin trick for a while now, says it's been instrumental in helping her drop that heavy feeling and get back to her normal self. Researchers say that incorporating gelatin into your daily routine can help with digestion, which in turn supports weight loss, and that's exactly what the gelatin trick is all about. By using the gelatin trick, you can start to notice the difference for yourself, and that's what makes it so powerful. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below for a detailed walkthrough. You can also find some helpful tips and variations in the pinned comment, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with the gelatin trick in the comments.